This is CJ and Caleb with Ford 96, and here we have a very old TV. Watch what we're going to do with it. Go ahead, Caleb. Oh, hit it again.
Oh, dude! Show him before I hit it again.
Let's go. Hit it again.
Right?
Again. Oh, man, look at that gas coming out of it.
Okay.
Cover your face. Hit it again.
The gas ball?
No, it's still going, but still hit it again. Keep hitting it.
Okay.
One of our better videos. Sweet. And we'll probably smash that second little thing.
Huh?
See? Smash that next thing.
Just try to keep that straight because it didn't touch you too easily. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can smash through.
Go.
Watch out, back up. Ready?
Nice.
It's not gonna destroy too easily.